Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Landing Leathers Men's Air Force A-2 Leather Flight Bomber Jacket. I just got this yesterday, and it's going to be in the brown color, so let's open it up and check it out. Okay, so let's open it up. The big knife. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. The package looks like this. Came in kind of, that's what it looks like. Came pretty packed, so let's open it up. Brown. Got this from Amazon.com. I'll give you the link below so you can, order it using my links below. And let's check it out. This is the brown color. Originally was, they had two options in this. They had the regular brown and they had the distressed brown as well. But then I figured I'd just go with the regular right? So it's this is what it looks like here. Oh man, the leather is soft. It's really soft compared to, I have a black leather jacket on right now, a Tommy Hilfiger jacket, but this leather is really soft. So let's move the box aside, give you a visual from the top. That's what it looks like. Man, the leather is really soft, and it is pretty dark. It is still a brown color though. I got a black jacket on right now, so I can tell the difference, but I'll take another shot during the daytime. I just didn't want to wait to open this up. So this is what it looks like. Let's open up the stuff. Let's just open up some more. Pretty excited about this. I'm gonna open this thing up. Collars. Let's open up the zippers. This leather is really soft, extremely soft leather. So if you notice the qualities, and the zipper is amazing. Nice smooth zipper, and this is what I wanted to see, the American flag on this jacket, right? This is the key selling point. So let's open this thing up, and here we go, guys. Air Force leather, Air Force Landings leather jacket. It's got the American flag. That's awesome. Yeah, man, I'm excited about this jacket. Yeah, so I got a pretty good deal on this. It was going for like $149 at Amazon, so I picked it up. Definitely, I can see the blue the thing I really liked about this jacket is, if you can see, is the pockets, right? So it's got this flap. Firstly, it's got this nice flap over the zipper, and it's got these dual pockets. You've got these side pockets, right? And it's got these top pockets. So that's what I really liked about it. And you can see like the brown texture on this jacket. It is really nice color. The leather is soft. I just can't wait to put this on and try it out. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. I wanted to get like the A-2 bomber jacket. I already have a black leather. I just wanted to do the brown. It just looks fantastic. I'm gonna try it on. I'll post some pictures maybe when I try it on. It's looks like it's made in. It looks like it's made in. I don't know. It doesn't say here. Made in China. Here you go. Made in China. 75% polyester, 25% cotton, but it's 100% genuine leather from the outside. Okay, guys. So, it's really soft leather compared to my Tommy Hilfiger jacket right now, which is really, really thick leather. It's got these things on the top. These whatever these things are. It's got the clip-on, the button-down collar. And that's the jacket on Amazon. And yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna put it on, and let's see how it fits. This is what the jacket looks like on me. It fits really, really good, very comfortable. You can definitely see the brown shade of the jacket. Definitely see the brown shade of it, and it just fits really good. I got lots of room on the jacket. Fits good. It's not too tight. I mean, it's just a nice fit. It's a nice fit. I like it. I just like it the way it fits. Comfortable. Doesn't smell. There are a lot of comments online as it's gonna stink. It's gonna be a strong smell, but no. This is what I like. I like this two pocket thing, right? It's kind of got this two pocket thing. Put your hands there, and then kind of got this pocket here. It's pretty cool. It's nice, convenient. Leather is nice and soft. I look forward to wearing this jacket and kind of you know, growing, you know, getting it faded and all that good stuff. Nice brown color. Looks good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a good one. Check it out.